this together.
Hi guys! Well, today is a very sad day. Is it, Dad?
Excuse me? No, it's not a sad day.
We're
Get
gonna...
a new car. That's not a sad day, getting a new car.
Yeah, but we're getting rid of the old one. We had so many memories with it, like, you know, all my friend outings. I took when I was the lead of the play in this car. You know, taking the parties in this car. It was a bunch of stuff. And now we're giving it all up. So, yeah. We had this car since 2013. And the lease is up. Alright guys, well now we're here. And this is the last time that we're ever going to be in this car. Ever. Anything you want to say, Dad?
I hope we can make a deal and get a new car. No filming inside here.
It's gonna be really sad.
Came in front of us, like he didn't know that we were behind him. We were speeding at like 65 miles per hour because that's the speed limit. And if it wasn't for Dad's quick lightning reflexes, we would have all been dead.
So he claims that this song
sounds just like this singer, Andy Williams. I think we got exactly the same voices.
Come on, say that he's 100 times better than you.
We were talking to the relatives a lot about things. For this year.
My New Year's resolution for 2016.
She's still shoveling. Well, today we are going to go to the bedroom source to pay for my bed. And Dad is taking forever to sort out the money. Going to take Helene to get shampoo or rug. Wait, what's that thing called? Rug shampoo. Yeah. Because we're going to shampoo the rug today. Because tomorrow we're getting the furniture. I mean, I watched Cats. Maybe. What do you think of it, Daisy?
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, Goya. That's all I can say is, oh boy, Goya.
I wasn't able to vote for Ted Cruz. He's going to lose one vote today because I didn't register in time. I had to register. I thought I was registered, but apparently I'm not. But don't worry, Teddy Cruz. I'll get to you when you're running for president against Hillary.
It's washing the car.
Because it's the last day of school. School just ended about a couple hours ago. Car with Lauren. And we are heading to Adventureland. We're meeting Effie there. And then we have Daisy and Dad in the front.
Well, I'm generally looking for a car that's like red. Red's my favorite. But blue would be nice too, like this type of blue. So we'll see. I also want a car that has Apple CarPlay. And luckily the salesman's listening to all my instructions. So, yeah. Well, so far it looks like we're probably getting like a gray car. We already have a gray car, so I don't know. But now we're gonna make deals and get prices and everything. Okay. Well guys, we've been sitting here for about 2 hours, and after a lot of deal negotiation and getting the car for like $100 less than we should have, we got the car. So yeah, anything you want to say, Dad?
No, we'll talk later after we get it. After we get it in our possession, we'll be driving it home.
I've been making a lot of musicals. I know I like the new one, but I should have missed someone. Oh, look at all that technology over there. Overall, this is a really nice car from the inside. It's so big. It's huge. Well, now I'm in a new car. The guys out there are still adjusting some stuff like license plates and all that. And check this out. They have Apple CarPlay. How cool is that? They also have like this and all this stuff that we have to figure out. And a skylight. I mean, all this stuff seems so new to us because our car didn't have all these updates. But still, it's just really nice. So, yeah. First time driving the car.
Yes, it is.
Now with the sunlight.
Yes, it is the first time. This is a Sonata Sport. And, seems like a nice car.
Thanks for watching.